Hey, Tech Ideas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change hosting a server location. So it's really easy to do, so follow along with me. So to start with, open up your Hostinger account, and from the home page, you're going to click onto your website's page. From there, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on the dashboard tab of the website you want to change. Click on the dashboard tab. Then we're going to look over to the left-hand panel. So you should see a tab that says hosting plan, and then click on plan details. From there, you can scroll down and you should see the server details section. So this is where you can make server location changes if you wish. All you need to do is click on the little pencil icon, which is the edit tab, and a new little tab will open. So you can use the arrow to choose a new server location, and depending on your needs, this may improve latency. So you can see that Hostinger says you can initiate one server transfer in 30 days. So it might say something different depending on what hosting plan you're on. So choose your new server location, click on next and follow the instructions, and that's how you change your server location in Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.